record this because it hardly snows this much in Tennessee, and it's been snowing since Monday, and it is Wednesday, and it's going to continue to snow until Thursday afternoon. But look at this snow. Look, and it's just going. Look at all the snow. Sam came here for like an hour or so, and his car is covered, and it's just literally pouring snow, literally. And you could see his footprints, they're so steep. This is a lot of snow for us Tennesseans, okay? So pretty though. Here, this is what our neighborhood looks like. Sam wants to go that way, and we're gonna go take some photos over there where it has a whole bunch of trees. It's actually really pretty out. Sam made it early this time because yesterday we were trying to take photos, but it was like kind of late. I almost slipped. You see that? I almost slipped. I was walking too fast. We're going down the end of our neighborhood because we have like woods down that way. So, yeah. You guys hear that? That's the ice. You can hear it cracking under there. Look at their snowman. They have a whole family. I don't know if you can see it. So like we have another bed for him up here. Whenever it's like during the day, he comes up and hang out with me because he has his own little room, but he sleeps in there at night. But during the day, he has his own little bed, and usually he brings up his toys and he'll just lay here and sleep. Early in the morning, he hangs out with mom until I wake up, and then he's always knocking on my door trying to wake me up in the morning because he wakes up so early. I think like 7 in the morning. So mom takes him out 7 in the morning, and then at 10, and then I usually wake up shortly after that, and then he's like always jumping at my door downstairs, and I could hear it. Right, little buddy? Aldo? So like the tear stains on his face, we've been working on cleaning it and stuff. And because they're from like the previous owner, and I don't know, I think if anything, we're gonna let it grow out and then just cut it off and then continue to clean it, because we clean it every morning, but there's only so much you can do. He's definitely gained a lot of weight. He was like 4 pounds when we got him, so I think he's probably like 7 now. I think 7 pounds. We haven't weighed you yet, but you getting a little chunky. But you know, his attitude is a lot better. Sometimes he has his moments where he's a little feisty, but other than that, not as bad as what it used to be. If you guys know, a lot of people have gotten snow, and I live in Tennessee, so we got 6 or 7 inches of snow depending on where you're at. And like I showed you guys earlier or yesterday, that there was so much snow. There's so much snow. We actually had like an ice storm before the snow, so there's like literally a whole sheet of ice under the snow. Very dangerous, by the way. But yeah, like I said, we can't even see the roads, nothing. And because of that, our salon has been closed for the whole week. And normally when I do my nails, I take my stuff home and do my nails at home. But I didn't think the snowstorm would have been this bad. So I'm gonna try and attempt and do my nails, because my nails look horrendous. Let me show you guys. Look at this. Oh, gosh, you're so ugly. I'm gonna try and attempt to do my nails. All the things that I got are from Amazon, so they're not really like professional, because right now I have dip clear base at the bottom, and then I have OPI Alpine Snow gel on top of it. And that's normally what I do, because I like to keep my nails a little bit long, and the dip base helps with them breaking and stuff like that. So I don't have any of my dip stuff. I don't have any of my dip base, none of those. So I actually have dip powder, but I don't have anything to apply it with. So what I'm gonna do is file it down, hopefully buff it out, and put a coat of gel. I have a short story right here, so hopefully, you know, it looks nice. And then I also have a glitter here called Desperately Seeking Sequins. And I normally use gelish base and top coat, but don't have that. I only have my OPI base and top coat. But I also have the Amazon The Beatles gel collection, but I bought this a while ago, and has 20 colors in it. And it also comes with like a base and top and a matte top coat as well. And then also it comes with these little baby bottle gel colors. I don't think I'm gonna use them, but we'll see. I'm gonna figure out which base and top coat I want to use. I think I might want to try these instead of the OPI one, because I personally don't like the OPI one. It's not as shiny, so we're gonna try them out. We're gonna try out the Beatles base and top coat, but I don't know what color to do. So I decided to soak off my nails. Like, these are so ugly. And I go through phases where I love my long nails, and then now I'm kind of feeling like I want short nails. So I'm gonna soak them off. Got my bowl here with my hot towel, and I'm about to put this in and soak my nails. highlights because the sun went down and I finally cut them off. They were really long. I feel like I just want to use gel for a while because I don't know, I get really lazy doing my nails and it takes me a long time to do my nails, so I don't know. I'm gonna keep them short for a bit. Especially what I had on, it takes like 2 hours to do. It takes forever, especially if I did it myself. I actually just got done eating some really spicy papaya salad. Actually hurried up and finished up my nails because I wanted to eat and I was hungry. But this is what they look like.